Welcome to our channel. If you want to maximize value by getting free trials through bundled service packages, follow these step-by-step instructions to link multiple subscriptions together. Step 1. Research bundle packages offered by major platforms like Amazon Prime, Apple One, Microsoft 365, or Google One, which combine multiple services at a discounted rate and often include extended free trials. Step 2. Visit the official website of the bundle provider you're interested in and look for their Bundle Plans or Family Plans section to review available packages. Step 3. Compare the bundle options to see which combination of services best meets your needs, such as streaming, cloud storage, music, fitness apps, or productivity tools. Step 4. Click Try Free or Start Free Trial for your chosen bundle package. Bundle trials typically last longer than individual service trials, ranging from 1 to 3 months. Step 5. Create a new account by entering your email address and setting a password, or sign in with existing credentials if you already have an account with that provider, but haven't used the bundle trial before. Step 6. Provide payment information by entering your credit card details. Your payment method won't be charged during the trial period, but it's required to activate the bundle and continue service after the trial. Step 7. Review the bundle terms carefully, noting which services are included, the trial duration for each service, and the total monthly cost that will be charged when the trial expires. Step 8. Activate your bundle and start using all included services immediately. Download associated apps, set up family sharing if applicable, and set reminders to evaluate whether to keep the bundle or cancel before the trial period ends. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.